There's birds here.
Wow. I haven't seen this guy before. It's way out there, but it looks like a red-headed woodpecker. Maybe that's the one Angie seen the other day. Sitting right there in front of the garden, walking along, pecking on the ground. See him?
He's huge.
Yeah. Compared to the other birds, but he's not as big as the crow or raven. Look that. Wow, he flew away and I didn't get to film him flying. But he was cool. Our little sparrows. Oh, what's that sitting out there on the table? Oh, he's gone. Our little sparrows is here on the chair, looking at the ground. It was about 40 of them a little while ago.
Oh, yeah.
Oh well. Beep beep.